Welcome to the GoransonBain Ausley Family Law Advisor Podcast. My name is Lindsey Obenhaus. I'm an associate attorney with a passion helping women navigate divorce and family law matters. Today's topic is 10 tips to prepare for your next virtual hearing. With the coronavirus pandemic, virtual hearings have become the norm. Courts are using platforms like Zoom, Teams, Court Call, and other services to handle their legal proceedings. Here are 10 tips that will help you to quickly prepare for your next virtual hearing. Tip number 1, you'll want to test your technology first. You'll need a laptop or a mobile device with a camera and a microphone that work. You'll want to make sure that everything is operating and in sync well in advance of your legal proceeding. You'll also want to make sure that your Wi-Fi signal is strong and working wherever you're going to be when your hearing is going on. Tip number 2, make sure that you're in the center of your camera in a well-lit location during your hearing. I always advise people that their lighting should be coming from behind the camera rather than from behind them to prevent any shadows. Tip number 3, you should be in a distraction-free environment as much as possible. If you can be in a room alone, that's preferable. For the sake of transparency, I often ask people to let the room that they're in be seen on screen, rather than using a professional background. If you and your attorney decide that's not the best, choose a background that's simple, professional, and that won't distract the proceeding. Tip number 4, you should be alone during your proceeding in the room. This will help prevent any confusion or audio issues going on. So your attorney and any other witnesses who may be with you should be on different screens, different devices, different rooms. Also, children should never be a part of Zoom proceedings, so you'll want to make sure that they're occupied somehow. Tip number 5, look at the camera when you're speaking, rather than down at your computer. This will help make sure that the court and your audience are engaged and listening to you while you're testifying or speaking in your legal matter. On the day of your hearing, you'll want to make sure that you're wearing professional attire. This includes both top and bottom, because it's possible that if the court thinks that you're doing something off screen, such as with your hands or in your lap, that the court doesn't allow, he or she may ask you to back up so that they can see your whole body in front of the camera while you testify during the proceeding. Tip number 7, call in early. You'll receive an email from the court and your lawyer with advice and links on how to handle your hearing that day. You'll want to log in early because just like on tip number 1, you don't want any issues to happen on the day of. And if you're late, you might miss important updates or announcements that the court gives at the beginning of a docket. Number 8, mute yourself. You should already be muted when you log into a legal proceeding. If you're not already, please mute yourself. Unmute is the new reply all. Don't speak to a court or a judge in a legal proceeding unless the court or your lawyer asks you a specific question. You should make sure during your proceeding that you have a way to communicate with your attorney though. There's a chat feature on many platforms. You can also ask your attorney if they can text you or find another way so that you can stay in touch during the proceeding. Tip number 9, do not research or text anyone else during the proceeding. Courts have specific rules about this, that you are to act like you're in a court of law under oath, testifying virtually. So do not text your friends or research or get on Facebook during your Zoom proceeding. Stay engaged in watching what's on the camera. Last but not least, tip number 10. When your proceeding is done, log completely off. Don't minimize your proceeding. And I know it's especially tricky on mobile devices for some people, but be sure that you're clicking the buttons to log off and disconnect yourself completely from the court and all other parties when your proceeding is done. I hope these tips have helped to prepare you. If you have any other questions, just let us know or ask your family lawyer. Thank you.